Hi all, I just want to give you a live look of the office chair cluster wheel replacement. It's suitable for all floors and carpets and heavy duty rollerblade chair wheels and universal cluster wheel size. And let me tell you, I said it's a really great tire I find, and it's professional quality, and it moves pretty smooth, and I'm glad I got these, and it works good, and it's great for wood, marble, and tile and carpet. It's safe for all floor types. It's quiet and smooth, and I noticed the difference right away with the way it moves. Now I'm kind of glad I got this, and I wasn't sure which chair to put it on, but anyway, I love it, and I plan on getting another set, and they're heavy duty, and it just gives you that, and you can put more weight to it, and plus it's quiet, and if I was trying to roll on my normal tires, it would get caught up, and I wouldn't be able to move. I'd have to get up, and I'll give you a quick little spin these things around. See the way these are? And tell you, it makes a difference in the way you roll it. You can't even hear it. Not too loud as if it was the regular ones. And it makes a difference too. And this helps to even protect your floors. Like certain stuff can damage floors, and this even marble, like I said, it's meant for a lot of things. You could swerve around on the rug, and yeah, I'm in love with this now. Anyway, wherever you're watching from, have a great morning or a great evening. Thanks for watching my video review.
Got these wheels for my chair that I use to work from home with, my office chair. The original wheels were okay, I guess, but I had to use a rug, like a mat. And my husband said the only way I could not use a mat anymore, because it was like disgusting from dog hair, was to buy these. And these are awesome. They are like a rollerblade wheel. They're really high quality, super smooth. Like, look at this. They're just, look how fast they go. They're really smooth, fast, like great. Every chair should come with wheels like this, but since they don't, highly recommend you buy these.
Bon, le paquet est arrivé entrouvert. La boîte, il manque un couvercle. Et il est supposé avoir pas quatre, mais 5 roulettes dans la boîte. Puis j'avais seulement une roulette dans la boîte au lieu de 5. Merci.
Got my new wheels. Realized there was a bag stuck underneath it, and I got it off. Not even a hole in the bag. They're so gentle. Thank you.